No culture can live if it attempts to be exclusive. The society is unity in diversity. Diversity is one true thing that we all have in common. We must celebrate it every day. We all are different, which is great because we are all are unique. Without diversity, life would be boring. Diversity is not about how we differ. Diversity is about embracing one another's uniqueness. Einstein said, "Our task must be to free ourselves by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole nature and its beauty." Good morning, students. Welcome to SST So Simple tutorial. Today we will discuss overlapping and cross-cutting differences. We say social differences lead to social divisions. Do social differences always lead to social divisions? Let us see. Social divisions take place when some social differences overlap with other differences. What does overlap mean here? Overlapping is a situation wherein one social difference is reinforced by another social difference. This means one difference strengthens the other. The difference between the blacks and whites become a social division in the US because the blacks tend to be poor, homeless and discriminated against. Now see the overlapping here. Being black and white is by itself a social difference. Being rich and poor is another. Here one difference, poverty, overlaps with being black. So one kind of social difference is overlapping with the other. So the blacks find that they are only discriminated and they are only poor. So one difference is strengthening only the other. This widens the rift between the blacks and whites. Situations of this kind produce social divisions when one kind of social division becomes more powerful than the other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities. This example of social division makes the white more powerful than the blacks and the blacks start feeling that they belong to other societies. In the context of our country, we find Dalits tend to be poor and landless. They often face discrimination and injustice. If social differences cross-cut one another, it is difficult to pit one group of people against the other. It means that groups that share a common interest on one issue are likely to be on different sides on a different issue. Consider the case of Northern Ireland and the Netherlands. Both are predominantly Christian countries, but divided between Catholics and Protestants. In Northern Ireland, class and religion overlap with each other. If you are Catholic, you are more likely to be poor. In the Netherlands, class and religion tend to cut across each other. Catholics and Protestants are about equally likely to be rich or poor. So one type of social difference is weakening the possibility of social division here. The result is that whereas Catholics and Protestants have had conflicts in Northern Ireland, they do not do so in Netherlands. The case of Northern Ireland is overlapping social differences and the case of Netherlands is cross-cutting social differences. Overlapping social differences create possibilities of deep social divisions and tensions. Cross-cutting social differences are easier to accommodate. Social divisions of one kind or the other exist in most societies. It doesn't matter whether the country is small or big. Belgium is a small country with many communities. Even those countries such as Germany and Sweden that were once highly homogeneous are undergoing rapid change with the influx of people from other parts of the world. What is homogeneous society? Homogeneous society means the society that has similar kinds of people, especially where there are no significant ethnic differences. Migrants bring with them their own culture and tend to form a different social community. In this sense, most countries of the world are multicultural now. With this, we finish the topic of the day. Let us recapitulate now. Do all social differences lead to social divisions? No. Cross-cutting social differences do not lead to social divisions. It can be accommodated. It is overlapping social differences that create deep social divisions and tensions. We read overlapping social differences separately and cross-cutting social differences separately. Now here in the recapitulation, we will put both of them together and see in the form of a table. Overlapping social differences. Under this, a social difference overlaps another social difference. Under cross-cutting differences, a social difference cross-cuts another difference. Again, under overlapping differences, under this people start feeling that they belong to different communities. See the cross-cutting difference. Under this, the group can share a common interest on one issue but are likely to be in different sides on different issues. In overlapping social differences, these create possibilities of deep social divisions, whereas they are easy to be accommodated in cross-cutting social differences. The difference between blacks and whites in the USA is an overlapping difference because the blacks tend to be poor, homeless and discriminated. In Netherlands, class and religion tend to cut across each other as Catholics and Protestants are equally likely to be poor and rich. Students, now you should be able to answer these questions. 1. When does a social difference becomes a social division? A social difference means the difference in the group of people due to their race, religion, language or culture. It becomes a social division when some differences are joined by another set of differences. For example, the difference in the blacks and whites in America is due to their different race, which is a social difference. It becomes a social division when, say, the income factor is also seen. The black tend to be poor, homeless and discriminated. The whites tend to be rich and educated. This difference divides the people, making them feel that they belong to different communities. Question number 2. Distinguish between overlapping and cross-cutting differences. We have explained in detail, so refer to the table in the recap. Question number 3. Catholics and Protestants have had conflicts in which country? Northern Ireland. 4. What type of society exists in Sweden and Germany? Homogeneous society. What do you mean by homogeneous society? It is a society which has similar kinds of people, especially where there are no significant ethnic differences. 6. Who is a migrant? Anybody who shifts from one region or country to another region, within a country or to another country, usually for work or other economic opportunities. How do social divisions affect politics? What are the factors that decide the outcome of politics of social division? We will read all these in the next class. Thank you.